In this video, we will talk about the certain timetable which all the toppers strictly follow. We have seen interviews of more than 100 board toppers and read many related articles. After that, we have met this common standard toppers timetable. So this is the common standard toppers timetable. Now let us understand it. 5 am. Wake up by 5 am and finish your daily routine personal activities like brushing and bathing in 15 minutes. Next, 5:15 am to 5:30 am, practice yoga, exercise or meditation to freshen your body and mind. These kinds of physical activities are essential to have a peace of mind throughout the day. Also make sure to let go of any negative emotions and have a fresh start with no stress. Next, 5:30 to 6:45 am. Revise everything you have covered during the last night. Revision is essential to recall what you have learnt in the past few days. Recalling is required to keep it in memory for a long time. 6:45 to 7 am. Have a healthy breakfast with juice and fresh fruits. It boosts up the energy to deal with all the tasks. 7 am to 3 pm. School and rest time. Next, 3 pm to 6 pm. Tuition and coaching classes. As most of the students of class 12 generally go for tuition and coaching classes at this time. If not, you can do self-study during this time. 6 pm to 7 pm. Sports activity. It is important to remain physically and mentally fit. Play with your friends and relatives and have some fun. This will reduce the stress level so that further learning can be effective. Next, 7 pm to 9 pm. Time for self-study and time for completing all homework or assignments. 9 pm to 9:30 pm. Dinner and also take a break. 9:30 to 10:30 pm. Revise topics you have covered during the whole day. 10:30 pm. Go to bed. Try to get a sound sleep of minimum 7 hours for complete relaxation. Sleep is the most important part of your timetable. If you get the right amount of sleep, you can study more productively. Now you can take a screenshot of it. You can make your own timetable by using this common standard toppers timetable. So how did you like this video? Tell me in the comment section.